All right, so I'm going to create a video to show you how to use, implement, generate this internal mutual success plan for your partner program by none other than Marco De Paulis. If you don't know Marco, he is a phenomenal partnership leader. He created the success plan that started out as a CSV template, a Google Sheet template that he uses internally to ensure the success of his partner program. What I only did is take this plan, convert it to an operational system that works inside of Airtable. And the reason for that, and this is it inside of Airtable, is not only for just organization and a little bit of cleanliness and optimization by way of stages and forms and stuff like that, but we also have automations and we also have interfaces, the ability to let your team know exactly what's going on, core KPIs, some things about this success plan that maybe your C-level should know. But I want to start with the data. I'll explain this. Let me get my face a little bit smaller here and move it over here. So again, this is Marco's success plan modified so that it would work inside of Airtable, and being able to tag and create either multi-tag columns, multi-tag rows, or single select rows so that we can trigger automations when something equals something. So let's go through a perfect example. So you have a new partner, call it partner 5. You have just added them to this base by way of the form, or if you're an admin of the base, you can add them to the base directly. If you're not an admin, you create this form and share this with your team. It lives on its own unique URL. Your team can just fill it out, which adds a new partner to this base. You can also embed this if you choose to put it onto a website of choice. You can also link it in the interface if your team and your C-suite and maybe sales team or whoever have access to one of these interfaces. You can create an interface for marketing, an interface for sales, put what they need to know in the interface, and put the form in there as well. So again, let's just say we added a new partner. I think I just added this partner 100, and I tagged them as a solutions partner that's also an affiliate. Now my goal is to track the health of this partner. So let's talk about what is happening on the stages, steps, statuses, team, and of course health score 1 through 10. Now if you are familiar with Marco's mutual success plan, there is a health scoring system called a matrix that he has created and developed and perfected, and it's really awesome. The issue that I had moving it over to Airtable was simply that it was 0 through 100 with multiple different percentages in between, which we can't automate. What we want to do is say, hey, when a partner's success score is below 5, we want to trigger an email to the team letting them know this partner is at risk, or maybe an email to the partner with your calendar link, letting them know to book a call. So the idea is multiple partner managers gauging success of your program. Head of channel for a region needs to be notified and up to date on all things success, but doesn't maybe need to go in here and adjust these things. But let me show you how this health scoring system works. So that partner 100 that I had, I just added them using the form. I did not add a health score. The idea with the health score is you want to get on a call with a partner, something happens, or maybe something happened that was not related to a phone call or an onboarding call or an update call, and you need to update their health score. You go into the health metrics, and with that partner in mind, you go through mutual customers, account mapping, joint value, non-existent, developing, stable, strong, mature, and using your judgment, you give them a score 0 through 10 stars. That is my interpretation of 0 through 100%, 0 through 10 stars. The reason for that also is now I can do this. The average health of all my partners is 5.5. This partner that I'm scoring right now is 6.1. That is above the average health of my entire partner ecosystem. That's awesome. Maybe I don't want anything to happen. But what if this number, average health of this partner, drops below 5? So I'm going to post some numbers here, a little lower. Okay, it's 4.8. Now what I want to do is I'm going to take that health score of 4.8 over to my partner 100. Where's my health score? Maybe it's to the right. There it is, 4.8, boom. Now what happens is an automation kicks in. So the automation is health score low alert. When partner stage by stage matches conditions, add a condition. When partner health is below 5, choose a record, perfect, partner solution, awesome, trigger a Slack message. I want to add health score. Partner name is at health score. Please review to make suggestions how they can improve. Here's their point of contact. I would even say find more details in the database. And I would link to, actually I would link to this database. We'll go back to automations, boom, 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 boom. Okay, now I'm gonna make sure to generate a preview, see what this looks like, turn that on, awesome. Partner 100 is at a health score of 4.8. Please make sure, here's their point of contact, here's the link to the record, sweet. Now, I also added some example automations. These will be in your base when you duplicate it, so you can use these or create your own. When a record is created, I want to alert a Slack channel, make sure partner name has just been added, make sure to correct their stage name, etc., and then link back to the base. I also added an email. So I want to alert my team in Slack that a new partner has been added, and we are going to send them an account mapping invite link email, a link to your Reveal Crossbeam or Partner Hub account to start mapping accounts, and then make sure to invite them to Slack if they haven't invited them to a shared Slack yet. And then an email goes directly out to the partner point of contact. That's pulled in from the data. You can CC a team member or BCC a team member. Your company name, partnerships team is the from address. Let's map accounts. Hey Alex, let's get rolling and start mapping account. Here's the invite to connect to your account, reasons you should do this, yada, yada, yada. Generate preview. Here it is, partner point account. And then here's what it looks like in my email. I just did one, let's map accounts, Alex Glenn, let's get rolling. Here's the link. I also added reasons why they should do this thing. When you're creating automations and triggering this stuff and linking to stuff, always remind them why they should do that. Always, that's just a best practice. I think I'm sharing my full screen so you can see what it looks like in Slack. Partner 30 needs to be added to account mapping. That's the account mapping one. Partner 100 has been created. Partner 100 needs to be added to Reveal, etc. Now, if I go to one of these partners and reduce their health score to a 4.9, that should also trigger an automation. That also updates the average health score of all of my partners that you see here. And then if I wanted to do this inside of Zapier, what I would do is one of a couple different things. If I'm using Airtable, I would do an Airtable Zap to, and I think I did a test request here. Oh, these are from Partner Hub. That's what that icon is. I would do a test request for partnership, a new record added, trigger a add to CRM. I can do Salesforce inside of Airtable. For some reason, HubSpot is not an option yet. I don't know why. But you can do Zapier, new record added to Airtable, push to HubSpot. I'll show you what it looks like from Partner Hub now. So all of this that I'm showing you is doable inside Partner Hub as well. I'm not just someone who gives away the farm and not have an ask at the end. Yes, Airtable, you can use it. Selfishly, we would like you to use Partner Hub. So let me show you how it looks inside of Partner Hub. This is a typical Partner Hub account. Here are my partners. When I click into their profile, I see down here, choose an account manager, set a stage for partnership. Maybe they are at a vetting stage. Now I see projects, pre-created projects that I've created. I'm onboarding this partner. You can have multiple projects at the same time. And then partner type, this is an affiliate or referral only, or maybe they're a strategic partner. and I save those, right? Now, what I can do with Zapier is trigger a series of emails when project equals onboarding is set, or when stage equals vetting, or when type equals this. I can also create tasks for my partners, which you can't do inside of any PRM to my knowledge, except for Partner Hub. So I'm going to say, read car, please, go to my profile and, set it up the way I need you to, or go to Slack and add yourself to Slack, or do something inside of the ecosystem that I need you to do. Further, I can push a referral that gets sent to me from any partner inside of Partner Hub to CRM. This is what it looks like inside of inside of HubSpot. I set this up for my account, CRM push. I'm also going to trigger emails and Slack alerts in this same Zap. So we have a new referral that comes into Partner Hub, app equals Partner Hub, event equals referral. Then I have an email to the referral thanking them for the referral. We are on it. If you have any questions, please check us out in Slack. Create a deal in HubSpot. HubSpot has a lot of fields. You're going to want to choose which fields are necessary for you. I have deal information, I have deal description, I have deal owner, I have deal type, and I think I did this pretty quick, so I didn't select all the options. And then I want to notify Slack, and I said company name and referrer email has referred you a deal. The referral name is this email is this, notes for the referral. We have an option for referral in the drop down to reach out or not, so I've included that inside of the Zap, and then of course the notes that you want. So again, you can automate all this stuff inside of Zapier. You can automate most of this stuff inside of Airtable, and you can automate all of it inside of Partner Hub because of the Zapier integration. So if you're going to do a mutual success plan and you're already in PRMX and Salesforce and you cannot use something else, another PRM, the object would be to find something that's free or cheap that the whole team can use. Airtable would be a great next step for you. If you do not have a PRM, or even if you do, if you just like the way it works inside of Partner Hub, you can use Partner Hub to manage referral, affiliate, and solutions providers, as well as integrations and strategic alliances, and automate everything that you want to automate and get everything done there. So check all this out. I hope that was useful for you. My information, I believe, is on this page. There's a help at Partner Hub if you have any questions. There's a YouTube video, this video right here. There are steps to get it done. Reach out to Marco, thanking him for this. If you are a partnerships leader and you would like to join our boot camp and have Marco teach you how to do this and be your mentor, we have a go-to-market boot camp in October. If it's past October and you're watching this, head to collective.partnerprograms.io, and click on courses, and then you'll see this year's boot camp right on the top of this course sheet. Right now it's August 30th. The course won't be published until November. Take care for now. I hope that was helpful.